Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a cheese cookie. It's delicious and it's super easy to make and super fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, in a mixer, let's add 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of cold butter. Then let's mix it. Now let's grate 100 grams of cheese. Then in a bowl add the flour mixture and the cheese. Then add 2 tablespoons of soda and a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's mix it all together. In this bowl, let's add 150 grams of cream and let's mix it all together with a spoon. Now you can start mixing with your hands. When it's all ready, let's make some balls with your hands or some circular shapes and put it in a baking pan with some baking paper. Now let's set it into the oven at 170 grams for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it's all ready. Try it out when it's hot or cold. It's delicious either way. Super fast to make and very easy recipe. And I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.